Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix controller not working for Meccha Chameleon. So here's what you're going to do. So you want to right click on the game, go to properties, go to controller. Now you want to switch this from use default settings to enabled first, and then try the game. And if that doesn't work, you can also disable the Steam input and see if that works. If nothing works, you want to leave it back to default. Exit out of this. Now you want to click on Steam, go to settings, go to controller. Now click show advanced settings. And now in here, you want to select which controller you have. If you have Xbox, you want to enable this. If you have PlayStation, like me, you want to enable this. If you have any other like Switch, generic, etc., you want to enable it. If you have the Xbox, you can also install the driver for it. Now, if this doesn't somehow help, what also you can try is open your Bluetooth. So open the Bluetooth. Now go to your devices. Now connect your PlayStation or whatever controller you're using. Now you want to click on your controller and you want to click remove it from the list. And once you remove your controller from the list, you want to press home button and select button on it, or whatever it's the pairing method on it, till the light starts blinking quick. And after it starts blinking, click add device, Bluetooth, and then DualSense controller or whatever it says for you. And then it says connected. And you want to exit out of this and relaunch the game and see if that helps. Now, if that doesn't help, what also you can do is simply launch the game first and then try to connect the controller. And if you don't manage to connect it successfully, the last result obviously is simply plugging in the controller via cable, and that should hopefully fix your issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Meccha Chameleon controller not working. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.